Hello my dear friends, Alex here from Alex Edits, and in this episode I'm going to show you completely free presets that you can use to create fancy YouTube logo intros that will otherwise take you hours and hours behind your editing desk. Creating these logo introductions was never easy, okay? Every step of the process demands extra accuracy. But then, fortunately, with the newest update of Filmora, we can now do this at ease. Alright my dear friends, so bear in mind that I'm going to give you 3 groups of presets, okay? 3 types of presets. Alright, so here is the first group. Head over to media bin, and right here you see this option right here, which is the influence key. And now you select this option right here to find out more. Alright my dear friends, so this is the create logo review window, okay? With 1, 2, 3 times 3, which makes them 9 presets. Excellent presets. Alright, oh my friend, look at this. Let me tell you something right here. This is actually an effect that is in Filmora, but let me tell you one thing. This is a paid effect, okay, that's been used right here. I can create the same thing right here without using this preset, but only by an effect in Filmora. But I'm not doing that, and the reason being, I have promised in my title that I'm going to save hours, so I have to do something that saves time, okay? Not only that, but I don't want you to think about the subscription. So that is the reason why I have to show you a preset which is completely free. Alright, so let's select it right here. Start creating. Alright, so right here, my dear friend, you only have 2 clicks here. The first one being adding a logo right here, and the second one being to deal with the title right here. Okay, so let me go on the first option. Here I do add a logo, okay? Alright, so what you need to know right here is how presets work. They have different effects that have been applied on these presets, and when you replace them with your files, your logo, like in this case right here, those effects on the presets are going to be transferred straight and directly to your file, to your logo that you have imported to replace this preset right here. Okay, so right here, of course, I'm going to write Alex Edits, or else I don't write anything. If you don't want to write anything like myself right here, just have to remove this and delete it. Okay, alright, so right here I go finish, and you're going to find your logo intro right in the main timeline. Alright, so right here you're going to find it on the very first frame. Alright my dear friends, so let me know from you, how long do you think you're going to take mixing up the effects, taking this one and that one, and trying to edit this thing unto the very final product as it is right now? Alright, so this is why I said this is going to save your time. Alright, so let's go on to the second group of presets. Alright, again go into the media and then influence kit, and right here, of course, the first option is the one that I'm referring to. Alright my dear friends, so these presets right here are not particularly about the logo, but they are something that goes with the logo, okay? Something that you bring together with the logo. Okay, let's find out. There are a lot of them right here, and the same thing, you have to do the same way. Download some of them that you think you want to use or you want to try, and then you can get on those ones, right? So I'm going to select this one right here and go to start creating. Alright my dear friends, so as you can see right here, we have only one click. This is the option for the titles. Okay, as you can see right here, that I can just change the title right here. Not only that, but I can also reduce the size of the title. And of course I can change the font and other things, but I can reduce the size and then change the position, as you can see right here. Okay, so let me just go finish right here, and then of course in the main timeline. Alright my dear friends, so as you can see right here, all the presets are very good, are very considerable. Let's move on to the third group of templates, and for this third group, head over to titles and then go to titles templates, and then scroll down until you find this option right here, which is the openers. Okay, alright, so right here you are going to find a bunch of them. Unfortunately my dear friend, on this group right here, they are not all for free. Okay, as you can see, some of them, they have got these paid effects pages right here, but I thought maybe I can consider them and include them as the third group. Okay, so for the benefit of those that can still use them. Alright, so let me show you some of them right here. As you can see right here, all of these. Alright, as you can see right here, you just have to double select right here, and then on the right side, which is the properties menu, the text properties, you can see the option right here, so that you can customize them the way you want them to be according to your logo and according to customizations of your brand. Alright, okay my dear friend, I think this is all I wanted you to see from the first group of the presets, the second group, and this being the third group. Okay, so all the presets in the first and the second group are completely for free. Alright, and these ones, of course, as I have said, they are mixed up. Alright my dear friends, so thank you so much for watching this video to this very end. Okay, so right now I just want to give you an opportunity my dear friend to suggest something that you would like to see on this channel in the next episode. Please write it down in the comment section. I would like to read it and actually create something from your suggestion guys. Okay, so until we meet in that next episode, peace.